Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. In the last couple videos we've been working on plan B here. The very last videos where we tore the transaxle up and we had to figure out what was wrong with it, and then ended up just swapping it out for another one. I bought a tool that should help in the future if we ever do anything like this again. Really make quick diagnosis and game plan of what we need to do. So sounds interesting. You want to find out what the tool is? Hang out and we'll show you what it is. Alright y'all, here's what we got. I bought an endoscope. It's the depstech. It's got a 4.3 inch screen, a bunch of stuff. Battery operated. It's got 16-foot lead on it. This is the DS300 model. So let's get the box open here and I'll show you all what it is. So, nice packaging. Nice little quick explanation card of what it is. So here's the way it's packaged. Comes in a little baggie there. So there it is. It's got the screen. There's the cable for the endoscope, and there's the camera right there. And the reason I bought this model is this is only a 5mm wide camera. The other ones I was looking at were 8mm, which is a little bigger. This one should be able to get into tighter holes, or tighter places. Also comes with a nice little charging cable and a packet of little tube here that has the different tips in it. Well, we'll show you them here in just a minute. So let's get this over here. So yeah, I mean, it's got a nice little Velcro on the cable here. Now I have not opened this thing up. I cut the tape on the box, that's about it. So nice little Velcro on there. Now this cable seems nice and stiff. I did look at some other ones that just had shorter leads on them. This was like under 60 bucks shipped to my house. So you know, that seems like it's pretty. I mean, you can bend that in a pretty good angle there, so I like that. Some of the other ones I looked at, Harbor Freight and some other places, they weren't real stiff, and I'm not real big on having stuff connect to my cell phone. So let's look this thing over here. Oh, down here, there's your charging port, and this does have a SD card in it, right there. So you can take video and play it back on a computer or take still shots, anything you want to do like that. So now, like I said, when I did open the box, I did read the quick operation guide, and that's about it. So let's push the power here. Oh, the light's on already. So alright, you got, that's a fairly good picture. I mean, that's the underside of plan B there. Stick her in a hole here. Yep, that light's really good and bright. I'm going to bend her up a little bit so we can go up with it. Now I'll see if I can't download these pictures and show you guys exactly what I'm seeing here on the screen. So let's go in this hole here. Hey, there's the clutch. There's the flywheel. That's the clutch cover. Let me get some more of this cord out of here so I can see how far we can stick her in here and see. I'm going to go ahead and try to hit the record button. See if I can't Oh yeah, we're recording, so. Alright. That gives a really nice picture. That's the back side of the flywheel. There's the clutch driver. Yeah. That's really nice. So we can go over here. Oh, there's the back side of the, there's the mag wheel for the trigger wheel for the ignition. So, all right, let me get turned around here, and we'll send this thing down the exhaust and see what we can see in there. We'll bring y'all right back. All right, y'all. We got this thing stuffed down in the exhaust here. Get it pulled back up here, and we'll show you where we're at. All right, there's where the two pipes come into one. So. Alright, we're not going to play with that too much anymore. So let's look at the attachments that come with it. So, hey, look. Showing the camera itself. So, I say one of these buttons did something. Oh, there we go. We actually got it going to the right direction, so. Alright. I'm going to get set up here, and we're going to show you the rest of these attachments. Alright, y'all. We're going to do a little dump out here and show you all what this stuff is. Now, this is a little magnet. It goes on the end, you can put it on the end of the camera. Somehow. Yeah, that's the magnet. Oh, okay, they unscrew. I get you. That's just a little protective lens there. See, we got the magnet on there. And you can. Well, let's see here. There's the photo. If you guys can see, that doesn't give you much. You can't really see a whole lot what's going around the. That might be kind of useless, but I mean, if you kind of know where it's at, you could go down and pick something up. I don't know how strong it is, but you know, what it is, what it is. So, all right, let's take that off there. See what else we got here. Oh, we got this is a little like side-facing mirror, kind of a 45-degree angle. You know, so you can see my finger touching the side, but the resolution, I guess you have to clean that mirror pretty dang good to be able to see. Wow. Yeah. figure most of the time we're going to just be using it straightforward anyways. And so now the last thing there is there's a hook, which might come in handy. Well, now, yeah. Now, see, that hook might come in handy. You know, because we could go over here. Let's see if we can set this little thing up over here and see if we can't pick that up. Let me turn this hook just a little bit so. Okay, there we go. Now we got her facing down. Let's see if we can. We're going to go in here and try to. I got the screen rotated 180 degrees. Well, yeah, I guess that could. I guess you could hook something with that. Yeah, we picked her up. I mean, that's just a couple inches from my hand, but you know, hey, not bad. Well, it might be better. Oh yeah, look at. I mean, out here on the table. I turned that brightness of that camera light down. So, yeah, that might work. Huh, never know. So, yeah, there she is, guys. I'm gonna try to download the videos I showed of going in to the exhaust pipe. There probably won't be any sound with that unless I do a voiceover, but we'll show you guys on the video there. Then I'll add the clip in if I can actually download them if they're in a format you can download. So, all right, guess that'll do it. All right, y'all. I hope that tool is going to come in handy. I mean, looks like it's going to be. The resolution on the screen's real well. I like it. We'll see how it looks when we actually upload it onto a bigger screen and onto the computer. Really hoping that it is in a format that I can actually put into one of my videos or into this video, and possibly some other ones whenever we, use it on some other stuff. So, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. I'll try to link this. This one comes from Amazon. I'll try to link it down in the description, or I'll put it on my wish list so you guys can go look at it there. I looked at a whole bunch of different ones, ranging anywhere from $150 down to like $65. I like the idea of the ones that hook to your phone. Just, I don't have real good luck with the Bluetooth connect stuff to my phone. It's probably me not doing something right. I've talked to some other people that have them. They love them. A couple guys don't really care for them. The camera cord isn't real stiff. I mean, it'll stand out, but if you tap it on something, it just whoop, drops or whatever. So this one seems like it's pretty well built. So we'll use her some, and we'll come back in a few months and see if we still like it or if it's a total piece of junk. So anyways, appreciate y'all watching. Please hit that like button, do the thumbs up thing there, leave me a comment down at the bottom what you think about this tool, and don't forget about the Sunday live streams, 7 p.m. come on in, hang out. We talk about just about everything. So appreciate y'all watching again, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.